Here's moving tip number 2 of the 7 things I'm doing before I start packing. I am a professional organizer, and if you want to know more about this moving series and the details of my moves, see the description somewhere. Step 2 of 7, in no particular order because all of our moving situations are different, group categories. Different types of categories may be spread across your house. It's going to be better if you pack them all together because when you unpack them in the new home, they may have different homes. As you're going about your day, start looking around for those like items and start grouping them together in areas that are out of the way. Disclaimer, don't drive yourself crazy. Do it with stuff that you're going to remember and not lose track of. Here are some examples. Decorations. I put a lot of different decorations up on a guest room bookshelf. That way when I unpack a box, it'll be all full of decorations. Seasonal clothes or hanging clothes. I'm cramming everything in my closet. I had some extra tools in the garage and I want to pack them all together with the tools in the house. I pulled away all the shoes we're not using, seasonal, winter boots, and added them to my closet so when I pack shoes, the bulk of them will be there. I needed to find the travel guitar bag for my guitar. For when I get it packed up, it'll be right there and ready to go. I also staged some blankets in the corner.